A couple weeks ago, I hit 10,000 subscribers, and in honor of that, I am now going to play 10,000 notes. Not good. Not good. Yeah, you know what that is to music, what this is to poetry. Welcome to Music with Marky. I'm really grateful for all the support and followers I've gotten since starting this channel. I've continually been trying to improve it, do better and better gear reviews and lessons and showing riffs from famous players and all that. And I'm always asking you guys what you want to hear or what I can do better. It's all about figuring out how to help you play the best guitar that you can. So today I want to give a little something back by running this contest. It's really simple. All you have to do is leave a comment below. Tell me who your favorite guitarist is, and I'm going to use this little bit of software here to pick randomly from all the comments. I'll be selecting the winner on August 24th. This is 2021 when I'm posting this video. And the giveaway is a free Skype or video chat lesson with me so I can help you do that great guitar playing if I can, hopefully. And I guess if you want one of these too, I'll throw that in there. So again, in the comments below, just leave your favorite guitar player to enter the contest. And if you consider a like and subscribe, I'd certainly appreciate that. I'm going to be running another contest later this year, a much bigger one where I'm giving away a free guitar. And you're definitely not going to want to miss that one. And as I always say, until next time, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.